When gardeners think about mulch, the usual suspects come to mind: straw, wood chips, shredded leaves, maybe a little grass clippings if you're feeling thrifty, but there's a whole world of lesser-known mulch materials out there that can quietly transform your garden beds from average to astonishing. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a few of these unexpected ingredients: cocoa hulls, spent coffee grounds, and comfrey leaves, and explore how each one brings unique benefits that even seasoned gardeners often overlook. Let's start with cocoa hulls. These glossy, aromatic shells are the outer husk of cocoa beans left over after roasting and processing chocolate. At first glance, they might seem like an odd choice for mulch, but cocoa hulls have a distinctive edge over traditional materials. They're lightweight and form a dense mat over the soil surface, which is fantastic for suppressing weeds and regulating moisture. Unlike straw or bark, they don't blow around in the wind as easily, and they break down relatively slowly, giving you long-lasting coverage. One of the hidden advantages of cocoa hulls is their mild content of nitrogen and potassium, which leach into the soil gradually as the hulls decompose. This steady nutrient release is especially valuable for heavy feeders like tomatoes and squash, which thrive when the soil offers a constant trickle of nutrition. Cocoa hulls also have natural antifungal properties that can help suppress certain soil-borne diseases. That said, they do have a rich chocolate scent when freshly applied, which some gardeners love and others find overwhelming. Over time, the fragrance fades, leaving behind a deep brown mulch layer that looks tidy and refined. Next up is spent coffee grounds. Many gardeners think of coffee grounds only as a compost ingredient, but they also excel as a direct mulch. Used coffee grounds have a fine, almost gritty texture that forms a lightweight blanket over the soil. When applied properly in thin layers, they create an environment that retains moisture while discouraging slugs and some soft-bodied insects. Coffee grounds also offer a surprising amount of nitrogen, making them an excellent soil amendment for leafy crops craving green growth. Unlike traditional mulches that can temporarily tie up nitrogen as they decompose, coffee grounds start breaking down faster and actively feed soil microbes right away. They also tend to warm up quickly in the sun, which can be beneficial in cooler seasons when you want to gently heat your garden beds. One of the most overlooked benefits of coffee grounds is their contribution to soil texture. Over time, they encourage aggregation, which means your soil develops more stable crumbs that hold air and moisture in perfect balance. Finally, let's talk about comfrey leaves, the secret weapon many organic growers quietly swear by. Comfrey is a deep-rooted perennial that draws up minerals from the subsoil that other plants can't reach. When you chop and drop comfrey leaves over your garden beds, you're essentially creating a slow-release fertilizer and mulch in one. The leaves break down remarkably fast, sometimes in as little as a few weeks, releasing potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and micronutrients right where your crops need them most. This rapid decomposition also feeds a flush of beneficial microbes and earthworms, jump-starting nutrient cycling at the root zone. Unlike many other mulch materials, comfrey doesn't significantly tie up nitrogen or leave behind woody debris, so you won't need to worry about robbing your plants of nutrients. If you grow fruiting vegetables or root crops, comfrey mulch can give them an extra push toward bigger yields and stronger disease resistance. You might be wondering which of these unusual mulch ingredients is the best choice for your garden. The answer depends on your goals and the crops you grow. If you want long-lasting coverage that looks elegant and feeds your soil slowly, cocoa hulls are hard to beat. For a quick nitrogen boost and improved soil texture, spent coffee grounds can be a perfect fit. And if you're after a dynamic mulch that acts as both fertilizer and soil conditioner, comfrey leaves will quickly become your go-to. No matter which of these you try, a few simple tips can help you get the best results. Always apply these materials in thin layers at first, and monitor moisture levels. Because they're richer than typical mulches, they can mat down if applied too thickly. You'll also want to ensure good airflow around stems, especially in humid weather, to avoid any risk of mold. Over time, you'll find that integrating these ingredients into your mulching routine doesn't just improve soil fertility, it also supports a healthier ecosystem underground. Beneficial fungi, bacteria, and invertebrates thrive when organic materials are diverse, and your plants respond with deeper roots, sturdier growth, and higher yields. If you've been sticking to the same straw or wood chips year after year, consider experimenting with these unusual but highly effective options. Cocoa hulls, spent coffee grounds, and comfrey leaves each offer unique qualities that can take your soil and your harvest to a level you never thought possible. Sometimes the most remarkable results come from trying something a little unexpected. If you enjoyed learning about these weird but wonderful mulch ingredients and want more hands-on experiments and practical guides, be sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this video with your fellow gardeners. Together, let's keep exploring new ways to build soil health and grow thriving gardens season after season.